Hi, doll friends. This is Suzanne, and I am a member of the Sleepy Hollow Doll Club in Westchester County, New York. And today we had a Frozen Charlotte party where we discussed all Frozen Charlotte history. I have here, that's an original Frozen Charlie in the back, tied into a box. I have a Frozen Charlotte candy mold. I made these little teeny tiny polymer and paper clay Frozen Charlottes and put them on little matchboxes. But in the back, I have, this is an original one from the 1800s. And I have ones in the back. That's what I used to mold, a little polymer mold made from an antique doll. I have some China heads thrown in because all of the Frozen Charlottes were made in the China head factories in Germany. And today we learned all about these dolls. In the pack right here is a new version of a Frozen Charlotte made by Tim Holtz Ideology. I got that at Michael's. And I made a new Frozen Charlotte out of polymer clay that I made to look, like old, because back in the Victorian era, they actually marketed them and sold these because the Victorian era loved death. So here I made two more. I have a Frozen Charlotte Queen Bee and a Frozen Charlotte just with a little, flower set and what have you. In the back, I have the big Frozen Charlie. He had a damaged arm, so I'm going to mold him another arm, but right now he has a cast. And this Frozen Charlie I tied in a box because he's very heavy. This one I just put in a little Valentine's heart, and the rest of them are just kind of hanging out back there. But we had a delightful day, the history of Frozen Charlotte, and I heard today from one of our doll historians that Frozen Charlottes, these little ones, the 1-inch ones, would have been used to cool tea, and thousands of them were on the Titanic when it sank, and they were able to locate part of the wreckage or what sank by the amount of Frozen Charlottes that were floating in the water, because there would have been thousands. So if you had one of these little ones and you put it in an ice bath and then you put it in the tea, can't see how it wouldn't break, but I guess they were hardy little dolls and they took it. So anyway, we enjoyed the day today. The Frozen Charlottes are just adorable. Thanks, and I hope you all have a pleasant day. Bye.